Okay, good day everybody. There is no perfect time to make perfect stuff. So you just need to take advantage of any time. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to just focus on what I'm about to say and not on any disturbance around. Do we understand that? So today we're talking about a very, very interesting topic: work, energy, and power. Work is a project of force times distance. As we know, power is the rate at which work is done. Do you understand? And energy is the ability or capacity to do work. So most of my videos are just going to be talking about how to apply those formulas we know to solve practically related questions to get good grades and good results in all examination and in academics. So here are some examples I've prepared for us to solve today. But let's just know some things about this. Anti-energy is something we call kinetic energy and potential energy. You know, kinetic energy is energy due to motion, do you understand? While potential energy is a stored energy. So there's something we need to know. Whenever kinetic energy is equal to potential energy, there's something we call the maximum velocity. So here's what I'm talking about. So we have when KE is equal to PE. So 1 over 2 mv squared is equal to mgh. So m cancels m, do you understand? First multiply, so we have v squared equal to 2gh. So take the square root of both sides. So v is equal to what? Square 2gh, square root of 2g. So this is what we call the v max. Maximum velocity is equal to square root of what? 2gh. So that's it. So let's kind of solve some questions, but before I go forward, I want you to know that 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. So this is what I'm saying. 1 HP equal to what? 746 watt. So power is measured in watts, energy and work kind of measured in joules. Do you understand that? So now we have a question. It said a girl of mass 60 kg runs up a set of steps of total height 3 meters. Find the work done against gravity. Do you understand? So a girl of mass 60 kg, that means a girl with some of fat. Do you understand that? So let's continue. So I told you whenever I told you something, whenever I dealt with physics question, list out the parameters, convert them if needed, and apply the formula to get a result. Simple. Do you understand? So let's move on. So let's say a girl of mass. So let me say EG1. Do you understand? A girl of mass N is what? 60 kg. Do you understand? Or runs of a set of total height, that is h. H is 3 meter. And I say find work done against what? Gravity. So what is work? Work is a product of force times distance. And what is force? Force is the product of mass times acceleration due to gravity. Do you understand? So here's what I'm saying. So we can have work as force times distance, or work as m blah blah in mass. Do you understand? So this is mass. Okay, then this acceleration, and this is the height or distance. So we can have this, W is equal to what? Mass 60 kg multiplied by 10 meters per second squared, and multiplied by 3. When you multiply this together, you can have W is equal to 60 times that, 600 meters, 180, do you understand? Joules. You can divide by 1000 to make it kilojoules. So work is what? 1.8 what? Kilojoules. So we're done with the example 1. So let's move on to example 2. It's an object of mass 5 kg. So permit me to clean this. So okay, let's just kind of literally solve the second question here. Do you understand? Say an object of mass 5 kg is moving at a constant velocity of 5 meters per second. Calculate its kinetic energy. So we all know this kinetic energy is equal to what? That's 1 over 2 mv squared. Do you understand? So Eg2. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared. Giving us m as 5 kg and velocity as well 15 meters per second. Now listen to the way I solve this. So you have a Ke equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 kg multiplied by 15 meter second inverse squared. So what this means is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 kg multiplied by 15 meter second inverse and 15 meter per second inverse. Do you understand? So when you multiply this together, 15 multiplied by 15, you have 225. Do you understand? So 225 multiplied by 5. So how do I use your calculator to just do everything? we should have something like this. I don't want to waste the time. We should have something like this. That's 5C2.5 joules. Do you understand? So how do we convert this to kilojoules? So it's not really necessary. So let's just kind of skip it. Do you understand? So let's kind of move on to the next question. It said the potential energy of a body of mass 10 kg standing on a boy of mass 10 kg standing on a building floor of 10 meters above the ground. So what I also want to find for is the potential energy here. So what is the formula for the potential energy? Let's say EG 3 PE for what? MGH. So they've given us mass. N is what? I'm not hearing you. G is what? And H is what? H is what? On the building floor, that's 10. So just kind of multiply everything together. So PE is what? 10 kg multiplied by 10 meter per second squared multiplied by 10 what? Meters. So when you kind of multiply everything together, you have PE as 1000 joules or 1 kilojoules. Obviously, now 1 kilo is equal to what? 1000. Do you understand that? So there's something also I'd like us to solve again. Okay, we say a boy of mass 10 kg climbs up 10 steps, each of height 0.2 meter in 20 seconds. Calculate the power of the boy. So what's the formula of power? As I said earlier, power is the rate at which work is done. That's work divided by time. So this is what I'm saying. So P is what? W over T. W can be F multiplied by S over T or MAS over what? T. You can use either of these formulas. Do you understand that? So, but it says something here. A boy of mass 10 kg climbs up 10 steps, each of height 0.2 meter. So the total number of steps he climbed, they said from one step, this is the boy, do you understand? This is a step. This is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. But it said the height of this step is 0.2 meter. But he climbs 10 steps. Do you understand? So the total, that's S, will be what? 10 multiplied by 0.2 meter, and that's what? 2 meters. So this is the height, the total distance we climbed. Do you understand that? So now, let's say we calculate the power of the body. They've given us what? They've given us mass, they've given us time. So here's what we're just going to implement everything as P is equal to what? M A S over what? T. So what's the mass? Mass is 10 kg. That's 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2 divided by, what's the number of seconds? 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 10. 10 cancel 10. So the power here is what? 10 watts. Don't forget to put the unit. Power is always measured in watts. Do you understand that? So here's what I want you to remember. Under work is the product of force times distance. Whenever force is applied over a distance, is called work. Power is rate at which work is done. The work over the time is the power. Do you understand that? And lastly, energy is the ability or capacity to do work. So energy are in various from the different kind of forms of energy, thermal energy, solar energy, and everything. So there's something we call chemical energy as food energy. So this energy ability makes us practice physics. Do we understand that? So I really appreciate you for listening to this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.